Hey everyone! So today, nag-experiment kami ni Mama on food dehydration. Sabi nila, the fruits could last up to 6 months. So I've been waiting to try this for ages. And finally, dumating na yung order ko from Shopee. And timing, I had a free day. And first up, I gathered my ingredients. And we've got some lovely pears, a few overripe bananas, and we also have lemon na I'm planning to put in my cocktails. After slicing of the fruits, we soak them in a water and lemon mixture. So mga around 2 cups of water and 1/4 cup of lemon to avoid discoloration. Sa machine mismo, may guide naman ng temperature, and number of hours. So, kadalasan, naabot siya ng 7 hours mahigit. So, depende kung gaano ka-crispy nyo gusto. So, basically, this is the result of what we did today. So, kung gusto nyo mas crispy, so, mas tagalan nyo pa. Ako kasi mas gusto ko yung medyo chewy lang. Next time, I'm planning to dry some flowers, herbs, and especially batuan.